Breaking the wall of manufacturing. Qualified in the Bremen lab, Vasile Apostu, Mercedes-Benz, Germany.
I want you to take a moment and think about manufacturing. There are countless production sites all over the world where man and machines are working in harmony in order to efficiently put together various products. Underlying, there are several manufacturing principles that ensure such an efficient run of the production site. But what if we'd be using such principles, let's say, for example, lean techniques, to not only efficiently put together a certain product, but also to give the chance to certain entities to create, for example, state-of-the-art products. I'm talking here about disabled people. Their integration in the society and the working environments, at least in Germany, is quite successful. There are also many organizations involved into this. However, the work they are involved in is to a very high extent far from innovative. What if we could involve disabled people in the development process and the manufacturing of state-of-the-art products? Let's take this cute and colorful card, for example. At the first look, it might seem like a normal children's card that almost all kindergartens have been using this for years already. However, it is much more than that. Developed by a young team of young engineers from Mercedes-Benz, creative designers from the University of Arts, and bright scientists from the Fiber Institute in Bremen, the Smarty is designed to be as light as possible using state-of-the-art composite materials. It also features a patented four-wheel drive system with an integrated handling mode. All this put together ensures that the caretakers don't have to push around a heavy cart, for example, in hilly situations, and enables a high maneuverability in normal day-to-day situations, like navigating through narrow corridors, or, for example, in tram situations. This project enables the synergy between innovative product design and modern manufacturing principles, in the sense that we are not choosing a production site to fit our product, but we fit and model our product, for example, the Smarty, in order to be produced by disabled people. We will have many hands with various abilities working on and assembling the Smarty, and through clever design and purpose-built fixtures, we'll ensure a high quality regardless of the ability of the workers. This, in turn, increases the job satisfaction of disabled people. Thank you.